Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to turn on microphone for iPhone apps. If you want to turn on microphone for iPhone apps, so let's see how can you do this. First you have to open your phone settings and settings. Just scroll down to privacy and security. Here's that, tap on it, and here you just have to look for microphone. Here's the setting, just tap on it, and here you will show the apps which have access to your microphone. You just have to enable all settings. If you won't find the specific app which you want to allow access to your microphone, you just have to go for main settings. In main settings, just look for apps, select it, and here you just have to search for the app which you want to give access to your microphone. But if you won't find the app here, you just have to go back, look for app at your home screen, and then you just have to remove the app. Basically you just have to remove or uninstall the app, then reinstall it from App Store, and in this way you can easily turn on microphone setting for iPhone apps. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.